In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost in Jotform. If you're selling anything through a Jotform, the simplest way to include a flat shipping fee is to treat it as a product that's always included. I'll walk you through each click so you can set this up in just a couple of minutes. First, open your form in Jotform Form Builder. Make sure you're on the correct form you want to update, since we'll be editing its product settings. On the left side of the builder, open Form Elements and choose the Payments tab. This is where all purchase-related fields live, including the list of products and the running total your customers will see. Drag the product list into your form if you plan to offer multiple items, or use the single product element if you only have one item to sell. If you already have a product field in place, you can use that one. There's no need to add a new field if you don't want to. Click the product field you're using, then select Edit Products. This opens the Product Manager, where you add, remove, and configure line items that contribute to the total price. Add a new product and name it Shipping Fee. Clear naming helps your customers understand exactly what they're paying for. Set the price to the amount you charge for shipping, for example, $150. This method works best for a flat rate fee that applies to every order, regardless of what's in the cart. Now mark the shipping fee product as required. This is the key step. Making it required ensures the shipping cost is always included, and customers won't be able to uncheck or remove it by accident. You'll see that the total updates to include this line automatically, just like any other product in the list. That's it. With the shipping fee set as a required product, Jotform automatically adds it to the total, so your checkout reflects the correct amount every time. If it helps with clarity, you can adjust the product's description to add a short note like flat shipping fee, and you can position it near the top or bottom of your product list so it's easy to spot. Keeping the label simple and the amount accurate reduces confusion and support questions. To recap, you opened your form, went to Payments, added or selected a product list, created a new product called Shipping Fee with your desired price, and marked it as required. From now on, that fee will be included in the total automatically. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to collect shipping costs smoothly in Jotform.